Encountered an EBT file in a benefits processing system? This contains transaction data for government assistance programs. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what electronic benefits transfer data files are and how they are used in benefits administration. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional EBT file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. EBT files are data files associated with electronic benefits transfer systems used to distribute government assistance benefits such as SNAP food stamps, TANF and WIC. They contain transaction records, cardholder data benefit, amounts, authorization codes, and settlement information processed through the EBT payment network. EBT data files use standardized fixed-width or delimited text formats following ANSI X9 financial transaction specifications. Records contain transaction type codes, cardholder identifiers, retailer terminal IDs, benefit program codes, authorization amounts, and timestamp data for batch processing and reconciliation operations. Historically, the main tool for managing the EBT type has been EBT-Online by Custom Data Processing, known CDP. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows provides only limited attributes, so meaningful interpretation depends on the appropriate software. Let's make the file accessible. Right-click your EBT file and choose Open With. Start your test with EBT-Online if available. If not, select another listed program and continue trying. If the EBT file won't open, don't panic. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, understanding EBT data. EBT files are processed by authorized government agencies, benefits processors, and financial institutions. They are not intended for general user access due to the sensitive cardholder and financial data they contain. Access requires proper authorization through the state EBT processing system and compliance with data security requirements. Next, processing EBT transactions. EBT data files are processed through certified EBT processor systems, such as those operated by FIS conduit or state-contracted processing vendors. The files flow between retail POS terminals, processor networks, and state benefit management systems for real-time authorization and end-of-day batch settlement operations. Finally, viewing transaction reports. Authorized administrators access EBT transaction data through the state's EBT management portal or the processor's reporting system. These web-based interfaces provide transaction history, benefit balance inquiries, and settlement reports without requiring direct file-level access to the raw EBT data files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.